Ten ways that will make you money online in 2019. The internet offers more and more possibilities for turning a profit every single day. Today, so many online platforms have turned people into millionaires seemingly overnight. No matter the method that you choose, there will be work to be put up front at the beginning. Keep in mind that your revenue won't increase in a matter of days, so be prepared. The passions and the strategy are the keys to your success here. Making money online is not very difficult. In most cases, you do not need to own a website or online platform or even sell products. Depending on your specialty and the skill that you possess, you can make money online through any of the ways that we will be presenting in this video and much more. So, without further ado, let's have a look at these 10 ways that will make you a profit in 2019. Number 10. Google Adsense. If you've visited any website, you've seen Google Ads. These ads are everywhere, and for a good reason. Not only they are easy to set up on any basic website, but they can be lucrative once your website starts bringing in a steady amount of traffic. This strategy is going to be making up to around $5,000 a month, depending on the traffic of your page. Just consider these numbers, and what would happen if one of your blog posts goes viral. How do you proceed? You'll need to own a platform such as a website or blog and create a Google Adsense account. There will be no maintenance or upkeep of any kind needed to keep this thing running. You can start your research on this method by following the link in the video description. Number 9. Affiliate marketing. Whether you have a website or you are still dreaming up ideas for a blog, you can also look into affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you are going to promote brands and businesses within the content of your website. If you mention a product or service, you'll need to link the visitors to them through a unique affiliate code that you received when you signed up for the particular affiliate program. From there, you will make money anytime someone buys a product or service through your link. Generally speaking, you'll want to partner with affiliates that are related to your blog or website concept. For instance, if you are a financial advisor, you can focus on financial products such as savings accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. One of the most popular affiliate programs is definitely Amazon. We are going to provide you with a link to it in the video description. Number 8. E-Commerece. I know you might be here for fast ways to getting rich, especially since nowadays this can be a reality from the comfort of your home. But we have to mention e-commerce as one of the best ways to make money online today. If you decide to create a store on Amazon, eBay or any other platform as such, you do not even need to create your own website. Whether you choose to sell physical goods or digital ones or even services depends entirely on your case. If you've got some spare space that can be used to store goods, then physical items such as jewelry, gifts and accessories could be the best fit for you. On the other hand, if storage space is a concern, going full online with services such as consulting or digital goods such as stock music could be the right choice for you. Number 7. Dropshipping. We've cheated a bit with this one since it is still e-commerce in its essence. However, we thought that it deserves its own spot in our top 10. Dropshipping is an online selling strategy that sets you as a third party to the game. You are not the owner of the goods, but rather work with warehouses or bigger online stores. In this scenario, you will be taking the orders for a price that you set, place an order yourself through one of your partner's online shop or warehouse directly to your customer's shipping address. This way, you do not have to handle logistics of any kind yourself. Even better, the process can be automated if you decide to create your own online shop. This can be easily done on platforms such as Shopify or WordPress. Number 6. Online courses. One of the most lucrative online businesses is creating digital courses that are then sold, you've guessed, online. Due to the high demand for knowledge and the lack of time in people's lives, online courses have taken the lead as the number one approach towards learning new skills. By teaching your topic, you leave no shadow of doubt that you know what you are talking about, you're good at what you do, and that you are an expert in your field. Therefore, this can also be a proof of your skills, in case you want to associate this with a blog or website about a specific niche, of course. There are a lot of materials that you can find on the internet on this topic. We've linked you to several posts regarding how to create an online course in the video description, so have a look at that. Number 5. High-end private coaching. This is an alternative to creating online courses on an already existing platform. If you have a very valuable skill that others want to know, you can be a private coach. This will turn a bigger income since this kind of service is expensive by nature. However, you will need the skill to teach live in the format of a webinar. Your customers are going to be expecting quick improvements in the domain that they want to learn from you. You should prepare materials of good quality for teaching, since making customers happy will make them recommend you to others. Now, if you don't know people who might want your coaching services, there are a number of online tools and communities that make it incredibly easy to find clients and teach on just about any topic or area that you can think of. Community-driven platforms provide you with a network of potential clients to interact with, as well as an integrated payment solution. We've added some links in the video description where you can start your research. Number 4. Record a podcast. Podcasts are super hot right now, and for a good reason. With how busy our lives are getting, more and more people are looking for passive ways to take in content, which makes them both a great opportunity to build an audience and to make money online. The podcast market is constantly looking for new quality content, and luckily, for anyone trying to get started, it's now easier than ever. Starting a podcast, like creating a YouTube channel or blog, comes down to telling interesting stories and building up an engaged audience. Come up with a niche for your stories, come up with a list of topics you'd like to talk about, and then search iTunes charts, Google Trends, and other podcast research sites to see what's currently out there and popular. Keep in mind that this approach will require you to own some specialized equipment. Also, the market is very competitive. Therefore, the initial steps might be harder in comparison with the other methods that we have presented, but the rewards are great, so it is worth a try. Number 3. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is one of the most popular ways to earn money online. Many successful freelancers can earn an average of 50 cents to $1 per word. Some are earning twice that. Of course, it doesn't start out like that. You've got to build a portfolio and your resume. If you are interested in writing, I'm sure you know this. If you are not interested in writing though, I wouldn't recommend traveling down this road just for the money. And this is because it involves putting down your time for the paycheck. It takes dedication and time, though it can be highly profitable if it is what you love. Assuming it is what you love, let's see what it consists of. It is recommended that you have an online presence prior to reaching out to all the companies that provide these opportunities. You could, for example, create a blog to build up a portfolio and then start freelance writing as a side, just for an additional income. Number 2. Work at home companies. Even though making money online makes you think about ad revenue or selling digital goods and services, this must be mentioned in our top 10. There are a lot of companies that don't care where you are located. You could simply plug in your laptop, connect to the internet, and do your job from wherever in the world you are located. Sounds good? The best is yet to come. That's because more and more businesses decide to follow this approach in order to cut down on equipment and the rent costs of having a physical location. There are a lot of possibilities ranging from part-time working to full-time employment as well as one-time jobs on different platforms. The best news though is that you do not have to be in the area of IT to benefit from the advantages of working remotely. A great idea, if you can afford it of course, could be to also create your own company around your area of expertise and then follow the strategy of employing people remotely. It would cost way less and it will make you a lot of money in the long run. Number 1. Peer-to-peer lending. If you've got some cash on hand and are looking for a high interest rate investment that's even more than an online bank, consider putting some money into peer-to-peer lending. What is peer-to-peer lending? It's a financial system that matches prospective borrowers with investors that are willing to fund their loans. It's like traditional lending, but without a bank as the middleman. As an investor, essentially you're acting as the bank and collecting interest payments in the process. How much money can you make? It depends on what types of loans you invest in and how much money you invest with. If you play it safe, you can expect to make 2 to 5% per year, whereas riskier loans can pay as high as 12% per year. So, this is worth looking into it. We have added some links in the video description to get you started. Please note that the list is not in any particular order. Choosing the right method for you is a matter of discovering your strengths and weaknesses, as well as analyzing the budget that you are eventually willing to put into it upfront. Thank you for watching our video and good luck in your search for success. Remember to get smarter every single day.